What if I told you that the most powerful humanoid robot ever built just got a price tag that almost anyone on Earth could afford, and it is made by Tesla? That is not a clickbait headline, that is not speculation, and that is not a rumor. Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus Gen 3, is officially ready for real work, powered by the brand new next-generation AI6 chip, and Tesla is targeting a price of just $25,000, making it potentially the most disruptive product Elon Musk has ever created. And that is saying something for a man who built a rocket company and sent cars into space. Welcome back to DriveTech Tesla, the channel where we bring you the fastest, most detailed Tesla and EV news on the planet, and today we are going deep on everything you need to know about Tesla Bot Gen 3, the AI6 chip, and why this $25,000 robot is about to change the world in ways that most people are not even close to being ready for. So strap in, hit that like button right now before you forget, and let's get into it. The story of Tesla Optimus really starts back in August 2021, when Elon Musk stood on stage at Tesla AI Day and made a promise that, at the time, most people laughed off. He said Tesla would build a humanoid robot that could walk, carry things, and perform repetitive human tasks in real-world environments, all powered by Tesla's own AI and computer vision technology. The crowd chuckled, the internet mocked, and most analysts dismissed it as another one of Elon's wild dreams. But here is the thing about Elon Musk. The man has a track record that makes the people who laugh at him look very, very foolish in hindsight. Remember when people said a private company could not build rockets and return them to Earth? Remember when people said battery electric vehicles would never be mainstream or affordable? Every single time, Elon delivered, and Tesla Bot Gen 3 is no different. The original Optimus Gen 1 prototype debuted in September 2022, and yes, it was slow and clunky and it could barely walk across a stage, but the engineering team at Tesla knew that was just the beginning, and now just a few years later, we have arrived at Gen 3, and the leap in capability is nothing short of mind-blowing. Let's start with the thing that makes Gen 3 fundamentally different from everything that came before it, the AI6 chip. Tesla's custom silicon story began with the full self-driving computer, then evolved into the HW4 hardware, and now the AI6 chip represents the biggest leap in Tesla's in-house processor development to date. This chip is not just a faster version of what came before. It is an entirely new architecture designed specifically for the demands of embodied AI, meaning artificial intelligence that has to operate in the physical world in real time, making thousands of micro-decisions per second based on sensor input, camera vision, force feedback from actuators, and environmental mapping. The AI6 chip features a dramatically higher number of transistors than its predecessor, with Tesla reportedly achieving a level of compute density that allows Optimus Gen 3 to process its entire sensory environment many times per second, enabling reaction times and decision-making speeds that are simply not possible with off-the-shelf chips or anything a competitor like Figure AI or Agility Robotics is using right now. Tesla's advantage here is enormous, because they did not just design this chip in a vacuum. They trained it on real-world data from their actual Gigafactories, where early versions of Optimus have been working real tasks alongside human workers, picking up parts, moving battery packs, performing quality inspections, and learning from millions of hours of real factory floor experience. This is the Tesla flywheel in action. The more Optimus robots work in Tesla's factories, the more data they generate, the smarter the AI6 chip becomes, and the more capable the next generation of robots gets, creating an improvement cycle that no competitor can currently match because none of them have the scale of real-world deployment that Tesla already has. Now let's talk about what Gen 3 can actually do physically, because the hardware upgrades are just as impressive as the AI advances. Tesla's engineering team has completely redesigned the actuators, the motor-driven joints that give Optimus its movement capability, using a new generation of linear and rotary actuators that are lighter, more powerful, and significantly more precise than the ones in Gen 2. The hands are particularly stunning. Tesla has given Gen 3 hands with individual finger force sensing, meaning each finger can independently feel how much pressure it is applying, which is how a human hand works and why humans can do delicate tasks like picking up an egg without crushing it or threading a needle without snapping the thread. Gen 3 can reportedly handle objects with a precision that rivals human dexterity in most common tasks, which opens up an absolutely enormous range of applications that were simply not possible with earlier versions of the robot. The walking gait has also been dramatically improved. Gen 3 moves with a fluidity and natural motion that previous versions lacked, with improved balance algorithms running on the AI6 chip that allow it to recover from stumbles, navigate uneven terrain, and operate in dynamic real-world environments without falling over or freezing up. Tesla has also upgraded the onboard battery system and power management, allowing Gen 3 to operate for significantly longer on a single charge, with fast-swap battery packs being explored for applications where continuous operation is required. The robot's sensory suite is equally impressive. Multiple camera arrays for 360-degree vision, depth sensors for precise spatial awareness, acoustic sensors, and the integration of data from all of these sources into a coherent real-time model of the environment, all processed locally on the AI6 chip without needing to send data to an external server, which means faster response times and no dependency on internet connectivity. Now, here at DriveTech Tesla we always ask the question that matters most. Why does this change everything? And for that we need to talk about the $25,000 price target. Elon Musk has been saying for years that Optimus will eventually be priced lower than a Tesla car, and the $25,000 figure that is being discussed for Gen 3 is absolutely groundbreaking when you consider what this robot can do. To put it in perspective, the current competitors in the humanoid robot space are nowhere near this price point for a robot with anything close to Gen 3's capability. Boston Dynamics Atlas Robot is a research platform that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars and is not designed for commercial deployment at scale. Figure AI's robots are still in very early commercialization with pricing that is nowhere near accessible to most businesses, and Agility Robotics Digit has been deployed in Amazon warehouses but again at a cost that makes it a premium enterprise product only. Tesla's ability to target $25,000 for Gen 3 comes down to one thing above all others: vertical integration. Tesla designs and manufactures its own chips, its own actuators, its own batteries, its own software and AI systems, and its own robot body structures, meaning it does not rely on a complex web of external suppliers that each add margin on top of margin on top of margin to the final cost. This is the same strategy that allowed Tesla to dramatically cut the cost of electric vehicles while improving their capability, and it is now being applied to robotics with what could be even more dramatic results. Think about what $25,000 means in a business context. A company with 100 employees doing repetitive manual tasks could potentially replace or supplement that workforce with Optimus Gen 3 robots at a capital cost that pays back in less than a year in many industries, without sick days, without healthcare costs, without shifts limited to 8 hours. And without the increasingly difficult challenge of finding human workers willing to do repetitive and physically demanding tasks. We are talking about manufacturing, logistics and warehousing, agricultural harvesting, construction, elder care, retail stocking, food production, and dozens of other sectors that are simultaneously facing labor shortages and pressure to reduce costs and increase output. The economic impact model that Tesla's own analysts are projecting is staggering. Elon Musk has publicly stated that he believes the long-term humanoid robot market could be worth tens of trillions of dollars globally, and Tesla is positioning Gen 3 as the product that begins the mass market phase of that revolution. But let's be clear about something important: this is not about replacing human beings with robots in some dystopian science fiction scenario. Tesla and Elon Musk have been consistently clear that the initial deployment of Optimus Gen 3 is targeted at tasks that are dangerous, physically demanding, repetitive, and undesirable for human workers, jobs in extreme heat or cold, jobs that cause repetitive strain injuries, jobs in toxic or hazardous environments, jobs on production lines that require relentless precision without fatigue. The vision is that Optimus Gen 3 handles the work that humans do not want to do, freeing people up to focus on more creative, complex, and fulfilling roles while simultaneously driving down the cost of goods and services across the entire economy. Now, a question we get all the time here at DriveTech Tesla is, what about the competition, and should companies like Boston Dynamics, Figure AI, 1X Technologies, Agility Robotics, and even Xiaomi's Cyber One be worried? The honest answer is yes, very worried, and here is why. Tesla is not entering the humanoid robot market as a startup or a research lab, they are entering it as a company that already has global manufacturing infrastructure, the world's most advanced in-house AI chip operation, a fleet of millions of vehicles generating real-world AI training data every single day, and an existing supply chain that can scale production faster than any pure robotics startup. The trajectory from Gen 1 to Gen 2 to Gen 3 has been remarkably fast. In just a few years Tesla has gone from a barely walking prototype to a commercially deployable humanoid robot with cutting-edge AI processing, and the pace of improvement shows no sign of slowing down. The AI6 chip in particular is a massive competitive moat. Competitors are largely relying on NVIDIA's Jetson platform or other commercial AI chips for their robots, which means they are constrained by what NVIDIA chooses to prioritize and can never have hardware that is specifically optimized from the ground up for their particular robot platform the way Tesla's AI6 chip is. This hardware-software AI integration is the same formula Tesla used to dominate electric vehicles, and the pattern is repeating itself in robotics right before our eyes. Let's also talk about what happens inside Tesla's own factories as Gen 3 rolls out, because this is where the immediate impact is going to be felt first and most dramatically. Tesla has already deployed earlier Optimus units in Giga Texas, and with Gen 3's significantly improved capability and AI, the plan is to dramatically expand the deployment, with the goal of having thousands of Optimus robots working alongside humans at Gigafactories worldwide by the end of this decade. Every robot working in a Tesla factory is simultaneously learning and generating training data, which feeds back into the AI6 chip development cycle, which makes future robots smarter and cheaper to produce, which allows Tesla to deploy even more robots in even more applications, creating a virtuous cycle that will compound in value year over year. From an investor perspective, the implications are enormous. Analysts who have previously valued Tesla purely as a car company are starting to wake up to the reality that Tesla may be on the verge of becoming the most important robotics and AI company in the history of human civilization, and the $25,000 price point for Gen 3 is the moment that thesis starts to become undeniable. Now let's look ahead and talk about what comes next, because Tesla is not stopping at Gen 3. The roadmap for Optimus includes continued improvements in AI capability, physical dexterity, battery life, communication and coordination between multiple robots working as a team, and eventually the development of Optimus units that can be purchased or leased by individual consumers for home use. Assisting elderly relatives, helping with household tasks, providing companionship, and acting as a physical extension of Tesla's broader AI ecosystem that also includes the cars and the energy products. The $25,000 price point for Gen 3 is the beginning of a price decline trajectory that Tesla intends to follow aggressively. Just as the Model S launched at a high price and the subsequent models brought Tesla's technology to broader and broader audiences, the Optimus product line is designed to follow the same pattern, getting cheaper, more capable, and more widely available with each generation. When you think about the combination of the AI6 chip, Gen 3's physical capabilities, the $25,000 price target, Tesla's manufacturing scale, and Elon Musk's relentless drive to push the boundaries of what technology can achieve, you start to realize that we are witnessing one of the most consequential product launches in modern history, not just for Tesla, not just for the automotive and technology industries, but for the entire global economy and the future of human civilization. The robots are coming, they are smarter and cheaper than anyone expected, and Tesla is leading the charge. So what do you think about all of this? Are you excited about Tesla Bot Gen 3? Would you want one for your home or your business? Do you think the $25,000 price is achievable, and do you believe Tesla can dominate the humanoid robot market the way they dominated electric vehicles? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Drop your opinion right now and let's get a conversation going because this is one of the most important topics we have ever covered here on DriveTech Tesla. If you found this video valuable and informative, please hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps more people find this content so they can be informed about the biggest technological shift of our generation. And if you are not yet subscribed to DriveTech Tesla, what are you waiting for? We cover Tesla, EV technology, Elon Musk news, Gigafactories, FSD, Cybertruck, Tesla Semi, SpaceX, and all the future tech that is shaping the world every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and we will see you in the next video, because on DriveTech Tesla, the future never stops.